Welcome to this short video about the USDA National Institute of Food and Agriculture's AFRI program A1712. The focus of this program is rapid response to extreme weather events across food and agriculture. In this video, we will highlight information about the AFRI Rapid Response to Extreme Weather Program's Coordinated Agricultural Project, also known as CAP, grant type. We also encourage applicants to view our other videos about this AFRI program and to check out our webpage, fact sheets, and frequently asked questions. In this video, we'll provide more information about the Coordinated Agricultural Project grant type. To learn about this standard and strengthening standard phase grant types, we encourage applicants to watch our video on that topic. A Coordinated Agricultural Project, also known as a CAP, is a large-scale, multi-million-dollar project that promotes collaboration, open communication, and the exchange of information, reduces duplication of effort, and coordinates activities among individuals, institutions, states, and regions. In this video, we will only focus on specific parts of the AFRI RFA. Those sections have been denoted with an asterisk. However, we strongly encourage applicants to familiarize themselves with the contents in the entire AFRI RFA. The RFA is organized in the following sections: executive summary, updates, table of contents, and table of tables. Part 1, funding opportunity description. Part 2, award information. Part 3, eligibility information. Part 4, application and submission. Part 5, application review requirements. Part 6, award administration. Part 7, other information. And lastly, appendices. In Part 1 of the AFRI RFA, applicants will find information about the Rapid Response to Extreme Weather Program's Coordinated Agricultural Project, CAP, grant type. This information includes the funding amount, the number of awards, the duration of the award, the project type, and the application deadline. We anticipate awarding $3 million, which includes indirect costs in one award for a project period of 24 months. For this CAP, we are limiting the award to the extension-only project type. For the application deadline, applicants should refer to the AFRI RFA. During and after disasters, there is a need to develop in real time new resources or add value to existing educational materials that support food and agricultural systems, farmers and ranchers, workers, families, youth, and communities. This extension CAP aims to rapidly deploy strategies and fill knowledge and information gaps to protect the nation's food and agricultural supply chains from production through consumption during and after extreme weather and disasters. We anticipate investing in an award to coordinate a national real-time extension response grant program. For information about the purpose of the Rapid Response to Extreme Weather program and its emphasis areas, we encourage applicants to view our other videos and to check out our webpage, fact sheets, and frequently asked questions. Applicants applying to coordinate this extension response grant program must have the capacity to promptly accept and review proposals, award projects for rapid initiation at sub-award institutions, and provide post-award management, including project oversight and reporting. In a project management plan, applicants must describe management of the grant program and how they will collaborate with the Extension Disaster Education Network, also known as EDEN. Applicants may contact the EDEN Executive Committee officers during proposal formulation to solicit guidance on how best to interface with EDEN on the project and to secure a letter of support as appropriate. We also encourage public-private partnerships with letters of support. Applicants applying to coordinate this extension response grant program should also consider focusing on projects based on species and commodities that are important to historically underserved farmers and ranchers or to small or medium-sized farms and ranches. Applicants must carefully assess their proposed project to ensure that there will be a high likelihood that results of the project will be immediately deployed. And finally, we encourage applications from and collaborations with minority-serving institutions, small to mid-sized institutions, and/or institutions within EPSCoR states. We strongly encourage applicants to familiarize themselves with the information presented in the AFRI RFA regarding eligibility. Applicants for AFRI must meet all the requirements discussed in the RFA. Eligible applicants for single function and extension project include state agricultural experiment stations, college and universities, including junior colleges offering associate degrees or higher, university research foundations, other research institutions and organizations, federal agencies, national laboratories, private organizations or corporations, individuals who are U.S. citizens, nationals, or permanent residents, and any group consisting of 2 or more entities identified in the list A through H. Applicants must respond to the program area priorities and deadlines found in Part 1, Section C of the AFRI RFA. Grant recipients may subcontract to organizations not eligible to apply, provided such organizations are necessary for the conduct of the research project. Failure to meet an eligibility criterion by the application deadline may result in the application being excluded from consideration, or even though an application may be reviewed, will preclude NIFA from making an award. We encourage potential applicants to review Part 3, Section B of the AFRI RFA. Applicants must take note of the application process and prepare their applications to be in line with NIFA submission requirements as listed in Part 6 of the AFRI RFA. For the Rapid Response to Extreme Weather Program, applicants must begin the title of their application as Extension CAP, followed by the full title. The project narrative for the CAP must not exceed a total of 18 pages, and within the project narrative, applicants must provide a justification of how the project addresses a critical and urgent stakeholder need. Applications for the Extension CAP grant for the Rapid Response to Extreme Weather Program will go through 4 steps in the review process. First, the proposal will be assigned for review to at least 3 reviewers with expertise in the proposed topic. Then, reviewers will produce individual reviews of each proposal, evaluating the strengths and weaknesses. Third, these written reviews will then be used to begin panel discussions with other reviewers serving on the peer review panel. And finally, through these discussions, peer review panelists will come to consensus on the final rating and ranking of the proposals. Here's the general timeline for the Extension CAP grant for this program. Over a 2 to 3 month time period, the RFA is released, applicants prepare their application, and the application deadline is shared. The Extension CAP application deadline will be shared. Following the application deadline, NIFA will manage the peer review process, which will take about 1 to 2 months. Finally, over the course of about 1 month, the award is finalized and made. Again, this is a general timeline. We will keep applicants updated as much as possible, but we do appreciate your patience. In this video, we highlighted information about the AFRI Rapid Response to Extreme Weather Program's Coordinated Agricultural Project, or CAP, grant type. We also encourage applicants to view our other videos about this AFRI program and to check out our webpage, fact sheets, and frequently asked questions. Thank you.